Good morning friends. Today we are solving the solution of system of a linear equation using inverse of a matrix. Then suppose that you have three equations, that is a a1x, b1y, c1z, that is equal to d1. Another is a a2x, b2y plus c2z, that is equal to d2. a3x plus b3y plus c3z, that is equal to d3. Then how you can solve? Then you use the method of matrix. First you take the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and coefficient of z. Then I take a matrix A in where here is a matrix, the element is a a1, a2, a3, these are the coefficient of x, b1, b2, b3, these are the coefficient of y, c1, c2, c3, that is a coefficient of z. And another matrix X, these are the only the element X, Y and Z. Another matrix is a B, that is a D1, D2 and D3. You take as like this. After that you write in the form of equation AX, that is equal to B, either X is equal to A inverse B. A inverse B. Then you can find the solution of that matrix. So you apply that method and you can find the solution of the matrix. Okay. So these are the formula. So you can find the solution of the linear equation using the matrix. Okay. So I think all of you understand, and we are solve the problem related to these questions. Okay. So I take some questions and solve as like this. So we are going for the exercise 4.6 related to the problems. Here exercise 4.6. Here the question number. First, this is a matrix 2 by 2, x plus 2y, that is equal to 3, and then 2x plus 3y, that is equal to 3. Okay. Then how you can solve that questions using the inverse of matrix. So I say that is equation number first, that is equation number second. Here I say the matrix A. A is equal to coefficient of x 1, here 2, here coefficient of y 2 and 3. Then x, that is equal to x and y. Then you take the matrix B, that is equal to 3 and 3. Okay, that is equal to here 2 and 3. This is the 2, this is the 2, so this is equal to 2 and here is a 3. Okay, so the formula is that for solving the equation A x, that is equal to B, either x is equal to A inverse B. Then first I find the inverse. First I find the inverse here of A inverse. A inverse, that is equal to 1 by mod A and adjoint of A. So first we find the mod A. Mod A, that is equal to here 1 3s are 3 and 2 2s are 4, so minus 4. And that is equal to mod A is equal to minus 1. That is a minus 1. So it does not equal to 0. So the matrix exists. After that you find that A11. A11, you take the first row and first column. So the element is 3. A12, that is equal to, here you take first row and second column, so that is a minus 2, then a 2 1 that is equal to minus 2, and that is a 2 2, a 2 2 that is equal to 1. So you take the adjoint of a dj of a, that is equal to a11, this is the 3, a212, that is a11, a12 that is a minus 2, and here a21 that is a minus 2 and 1. This is the adjoint of a. After that you find that the a inverse that is equal to 1 upon mod a into adjoint of a. 1 upon mod a that is equal to 1 upon minus 1, adjoint of a 3, minus 2 and 1. You divide by minus 1, so this is a minus 3 plus 2, this is the plus 2, and this is equal to minus 1, right? So you see here, according to the equation that x is equal to a inverse b. X means the element xy, a inverse the value of a inverse that is equal to minus 3 plus 2, then plus 2 and minus 1, and the element of b that is equal to here 2 and 3. So the matrix x and y that is equal to 3 2s are 6, so minus 6 and plus 2 3s are 6, it is also equal to plus 6. Then for the second row, the element 2 2s are 4 and minus 3 1s are 3. So x and y that is equal to here 0 and 1. After the comparing, that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So this is the solution of that equation. You can find using the matrix of linear equation, inverse matrix method, you can solve the equations. This is the equation of the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, I think all of you understand. So we are going for the next question, that is a 3 by 3. So all of you see very careful way how we can solve these questions of 3 by 3 matrix. You use similar method. Then the next question is that here the next question is question number 5. Here equation is 3x minus y minus 2z that is equal to 2y minus z that is equal to minus 1, 3x minus 5y that is equal to 3. This is the equation number first, this is the equation number second, and that is equation number third. So first I take the matrix A and the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x that is a 3, here is a not a term of the x, so coefficient of x that is equal to 0. In the third equation the coefficient of x that is also equal to 3. Then after that take the coefficient of y, this is the minus 1, here is a 2, and third equation that is minus 5. Then the coefficient of z, this is the minus 2, here minus 1, and here the not a term of z, so the coefficient is 0. After that you take the b, here another matrix x x is equal to x, y and z. Then you take another matrix B. B is equal to, here the elements 2, 1 and 3, right. First we find the mod A. The mod A, that is equal to 3, then 2 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5 with negative sign, minus minus 1, then 0 zeros are 0 and 3 ones are 3, so plus 3 minus 2 bracket. Then this is equal to, here minus 2, 0 into minus 5, it is a 0, 3 2s are 6, so minus 6. Therefore 3 5s are 15, minus 15, minus minus plus 1 into 3, minus 2 and minus 6. Then minus 15 plus 3 and 2 6 are 12. Then here you see that minus 15 and it is also minus 15. So minus 15 and plus 15. Therefore that is equal to 0. So you can say if mod A that is equal to 0, so the matrix does not exist. Here the matrix does not exist and you cannot find the solution of that equation, because here is that is equal to 0, so you cannot find the solution of that equation. So you can say this is the inconsistent, because here is a no solution, since that mod A is equal to 0, then you can say it has no solution. It has no solution of the equation. Okay. Next question. Solve the system of the linear equation using matrix method of the equations are here given. Suppose that question number 12. Here is the equation is x minus y and plus z, that is equal to 4, and 2x plus y minus 3z, that is equal to 0. Next x plus y plus z, that is equal to 2. This is the equation number first, second and third. So first I take a matrix A, that is equal to 1, coefficient of x 1, here x 2 and 1, then y minus 1, 1 and 1, then here z 1, minus 3 and 1. Then you take the another matrix x, that element is a x, y and z. Next matrix is B, that is equal to element 4, 0 and 2, right. Then you find the mod A, that is equal to 1, 1 ones are 1, plus here minus 1, so 1 3s are 3, so plus 3, minus 1, it is a plus 1, then 2 ones are 2 and 1 3s are 3, plus 3, plus 1, then 2 ones are 2, minus 1 ones are 1, so mod A, that is a 1 into 3 4, that is a 4, plus 2 into 3 5, so it is a 5, 2 minus 1, that is a 1, so it is a 1. So mod A, that is equal to 4 5 9 and plus 1, that is equal to 10. So here mod A, that is equal to 10, so it is a exist. After that we find the A inverse. A inverse that is equal to 1 upon mod A and adjoint of A. So here we find that the mod A, after that we find the adjoint of A. For the finding adjoint of A, you find A11, A12, A13, A21, then A22, then A23, then A31, A32 and A33. First is that you find these are, then the first we put up the sign. A11 it is a positive, A12 this is the negative, A13 that is a positive, A21 that is a negative, A22 that is a positive and it is a negative, A31 that is a positive, A32 that is a negative, A33 that is a positive. Okay. After that you take A11, you remove the first row and first column, 1 ones are 1 and 1 threes are 3. So 1 and plus 3, 1 and plus 3 and that is equal to 4. A12, you remove first row and second column, so 2 ones are 2 and plus 3, 2 ones are 2 and plus 3, 2 plus 3 and that is equal to minus 5. Next A13, you remove the first row and third column, so 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1, then 2 minus 1, that is a 2 minus 1 and that is equal to 1. These are the element of the first row, and after that you take the second row, then you remove the second row and first we remove the first column, so 1 ones are 1 with the negative sign, so it is a minus 1. Next 1 ones are 1, it is also the negative sign, so minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 and minus, it is a plus 2. A22, it means you take the second row and the second column, so 1 ones are 1 minus 1 ones are 1, so that is a 1 minus 1 and that is equal to 0. Next A23, you take the second row and third column, so this is equal to 1 ones are 1 and into 1 ones are 1 with the positive sign, so this is a 1 plus 1 that is equal to minus 2, right? After that you take the third row. If you take the third row, then third row first column, that is equal to 1 threes are 3 with the positive sign and minus 1 ones are 1, so that is equal to 2. 3 2, it means you take the third row and second column, so 1 threes are 3 negative sign, minus 3 and minus 1 threes are 3 and 2 ones are 2, it is also minus 2, so that is a minus 5 and convert into the plus 5. Then A33, that is equal to, you take the third row and third column, so 1 ones are 1 and plus 2, 1 ones are 1 and plus 2, that is equal to 3. Okay, so you find that the adjoint of A, that is equal to A11, that is a 4, A12 that is a minus 5, A13 that is 1, then A21 it is a 2, 0 and minus 2, then 2, 5 and 3. These are the elements of adjoint of A. After that you take that A inverse that is equal to 1 upon mod A and adjoint of A. Mod A, that the value of mod A that is equal to A inverse is equal to 1 by 10 and the value of adjoint of A 4 minus 5 2 0 and minus 2, then 2 5 and 3. Okay, this is the value of A inverse. After that you apply the formula is that here x is equal to A inverse and B, then x, the matrix is x, y, z, and A inverse 1 by 10, and the matrix is here 4, minus 5 and 1, then 2, 0 and minus 2, another element 2, 5 and 3, and the matrix B, that is equal to 4, 0 and 2. Then here x, y, z element, that is equal to 1 by 10, then 4 4s are 16 plus 2 zeros are 0 plus 2 2s are 4. Then second row 5 4s are minus 20 plus 0 zeros are 0 and 5 2s are 10. In the third row 1 4s are 4, minus 2 into 0, that is equal to 0, and 3 2s are 6. Then you see that the matrix x, y, z, another is that here 1 by 10, then 16 plus 4, that is a 20, minus 20 plus 10, that is a minus 10, 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. Then you multiply with 1 by 10, so x, y, z, and then that is equal to 20 by 10, then minus 10 by 10, then 10 by 10. So that is equal to x, y, z, and this is equal to 10 2s are 20, minus 1 and 1. After that, the comparing both side of the matrix, so x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 1. This is the solution of the equation, that the value x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 1. If you just wanted to check your answer, then you put up the value x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, 2, 1, 3, and z is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. So you can apply this method, you can solve the linear equation using the inverse matrix method. Okay. So I think this type of the questions will be completed, and you can apply this method. You can solve the rest questions of the exercise 4.6. So okay, goodbye.